Everybody, welcome back to my channel. Yes, a new setup yet again. Still trying to figure out the lighting in this apartment, but I actually do like this a lot better. Only thing is, it's actually getting hot up here. People are swimming. Let me adjust this. There we go. So this is going to be video number 5 tutorial on this. Still don't know what kind of look I'm going to create. I'm getting very bored of this palette, I'm not going to lie. But without further ado, we are going to create something. So let me go ahead and prep my eyes. And I think for the rest of this series, I'm gonna go ahead and start using the MAC paint pot and soft orchid. And I think I have Painter Lily as well. We'll see. I'm gonna go prep my eyes and we will be right. So eyes are prepped. Let me see, I just had it with the MAC paint pot and the soft orchid, orchia, whatever. So now, gonna go in with the lighter brush, and I'm actually, you know what? First, screw it. I'm gonna go in with. How does this actually look? I don't know which one I want to do. Let me actually just go ahead and go in with. Now I'm actually really stuck at guessing. You know what? I'm gonna go in with this one first on my fingertip, and I'm just gonna go ahead and place that all over the lid. Oh, that is just such a beautiful peachy whatever it is, and up to the brow bone. And this is going to be the base for this look. Perfect. Just like that. I mean, oh, the hues in this color. Now onto VR Sextraterrestrial on a liner brush, and I'm just gonna go ahead and start creating a wing actually. Like that. I mean, this is really going to be hard to capture when I take pictures, but oh, it's just so beautiful. Then next I'm going to go with a fluffy brush back into that VR Sextraterrestrial. I think it's VR, yeah, I'm pretty sure. And just begin to really blend it out. And it is starting to get really hot in here. Whew. Yeah, I don't even know if you guys could really. Oh, that shift is beautiful. Okay, that's what I want to do. Now, trying to capture it on camera is going to be another thing. Perfect. Oh. There we go. But on a different liner brush, I'm actually going to go in with, where is the Urban Decay one? Okay then, I'm going to clean that one off. The liner brush that I used before that, I'm going to go in with that plum actually. The Plum Noir, the clean liner. And it'll just right along the lash line. Actually might close that just so we can see here. And just, yeah, right along the lash line is where I want this. perfect. Just like that. Oh, that shift though is just so beautiful. Well, let me go do the other eye and then we'll see how this is. All right, so this is where we are at. I mean, just that shift alone is just so beautiful. But this is with it regular. I just turned down the exposure just so you guys can see it. I actually went ahead and used the Plum Noir, the dark plum, and just smoked out the edges a little bit on top of, and having it on top of the VR Extraterrestrial, just so it has a little bit of that depth. And it's just so beautiful. But, and I do love this combination with that gold, that bronze. Actually, let me go and turn this back down. I mean, with that bronze and just that, oh, from there to there, go back down. Ah, there we go. I mean, just that shift is just so beautiful. All right, so let me go and do the rest of my face, and I think I'm just going to go ahead and smoke out the bottom with the Plum Noir, and then we will see the actual final look. All right, so this is the final look. I went ahead and closed the blinds up there so you guys can actually see this more with this type of lighting. So yeah, this is beautiful, beautiful. Now that I played with the palette this way, I actually love this palette, especially with that triochrome, really giving more of a, oh, just depending which way you look, it is just so beautiful. And actually for blush, I use from Be a Light, Becca Medium Light. And also for bronzer, this is what I have on. But I use this blush, which is like a baby, cool baby pink, which I love. And then on top of that, I went in with the Venusian Sunrise. I put that on top, and it's just such a beautiful blush combination. And I think having that blush in here, oh, does it even have a name? Because, I mean, Becca is discontinued, which is really unfortunate, but I do love a lot of their formulas, especially for blushes. When they did the Khloe Kardashian and BFF collection, beautiful, beautiful formulation with those, and I kind of wish they expanded, but obviously they didn't. But this in person is just, oh my god, it's like the 4th of July. But anyways, like, this is just beautiful. Such a cool tone baby pink, which is, I am happy to have, because I kind of get really sick and tired of warm tone everything. But yeah, this is the final look. I hope you guys love it. I hope you guys learn something. I hope you guys, if you have it, play around with it like this. Oh yeah, and for lips, I just have on this from Pat McGrath. I don't know what the Opulus Aphrodisiac is what I have on for lip. I actually just want to keep the lips very pulled back. And Pat McGrath, her lip gloss formulation, her lipsticks formulation, eyeshadow, her powder, I actually really do like this powder. I think I need to buy a few more for my kit and for myself. I also have on these two mixed together under to really blur out, and actually a little bit on top also, especially right under the eye area, to really smooth everything out. But I just can't get over this eye look. I really do love this. And just so I went ahead and used the triochrome down first on the lower lash line, and then I went on top of it with the Plum Noir, plum, whatever it's called, the deep purple in there, the deep plum, and just smoked out the edges. So I mean, oh, and then with that gold, bronze, whatever it is in the palette, just the way it really shifts into that trio chrome is just beautiful. All types of beautiful. But as usual, if you guys want to see the final edit look, go to my Instagram page, my makeup page. I don't know if I want to, I really don't know what kind of lighting I want to use for this, because I really want that to show up. I'm going to play around with that. I'm going to do with the thingy open, do a few that way, and then do a few without. So, hope you guys enjoyed video number 5, I think. I'm pretty sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. No, video 5. I think I definitely have a few more to play around with. I mean, it's just, I have to get into the groove of it. It's been a while. I kind of took a break from doing tutorials, but this foundation, Charlotte Tilbury, this is the foundation Flawless Airbrush. I mean, it just has yellow in it, and the warm has a lot of orange in it, and this is a cool, and the neutral has like a lot of yellow, like a lot of yellow, not in a healthy way. But you guys enjoy. Like, I'm really digging this look. And I might go jump into the canal because it is freaking hot in here. Let's see how long this will hold up. Bye guys.